tutorial in Adobe Photoshop, but I'm gonna teach you how to crop, how to paint, how to whatever. But today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw something, a strawberry face. You can put your face, put my face, whatever face, on a strawberry. I'll teach you all the techniques on how to make this. Alright, so stay tuned for this one. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw strawberry face. So the first thing you need to start will be look for the strawberry, of course. So I have already downloaded from Google. You can find from Google the picture for strawberry. So I have get it, this one. Draw, on the draw, I got the strawberry here. So what I need to do is, sorry, I need to go back. I need to place, embedded, and put the strawberry here in the Adobe Photoshop. And I got the strawberry. Alright, and I need to edit it, of course. I need to remove the background. I need to make a face of it. So we go to this one, rasterize the layer, and from there you can able to edit it. Just let me delete the gray background. You can see over here, the gray background is here, the gray background, and I need just to select it, and put the shift key, select it again, and press the delete key, and then Control D, deselect, and you get the strawberry. Now I need to shift the strawberry into the upright position. Transform, right? Just rotate it. So I got the strawberry, and I find it a bit big. Press enter. You just use the free transform, and then you just move it smaller up to the size that you desire, and that's how you make the strawberry. And now I need to put my face into it. Right, my face, place embedded. Where is that? Oh, here. I got this hand. Anyway, need to go to my desktop to get my face. Where my face? I need to find my face. Okay, face. Oh, here you go. Okay, so here is my face with my tongue. I just need to press enter, and now I need to select my face. I will go to this eraser. Alright, rasterize the areas you can able to edit, and I did the portion that I don't want. Alright, to fit into the strawberry, just delete generously, and here you go. Alright, so right now I got the strawberry and the face together. Yeah, I got it. Alright, now I need to make the face smaller. Transform it and put the face in the strawberry. Yes! Alright, then the next one, I just use the, forget about this one. Get a circle. From here, I draw a circle to fit my face in. Make it centralize. Here you go. So I will use the select inverse because I want the outer part of the strawberry. So select inverse, and then I put into so-called what is that called? Feather. Yeah, feather. Oops, here. I put the select mask, and to see, I feather it to see the area that I need. Alright, and the edges to increase the size of circle, big, small, or big or small. So I want to make this kind of size. Feather it more. Alright, and just click OK, and then I just put it cut. No, not this one. Here. So I got things here, and then put my face in, shift the layer down behind the strawberry, and put my face. Yeah, that's easy. You can see that here. I need to erase off some of the portion. Alright. Erase off a little bit here. Yesterday I will tell you about masking. There's another way of erasing the picture. I can use masking to erase it, but now I just erase it because I'm lazy. Edit, fill, transform to move my face bigger on the strawberry, and here you got it. My face in a strawberry. Alright. Apply and erase again this part. Alright, here my strawberry face. And I'm going to make my face a little bit red because I found that my face is not as straight as a strawberry. So make it a bit realistic. So I'll use image and adjustment. Where is that? No color but huge and saturation to make it a bit redder. You see? Okay, I think here will do. Alright, and here the strawberry face. So I also like to have a good background. Alright, so what I need to do will be using a crop into a square. And here you go. Then after that, just press enter. And I need to have a background. Alright, I like to choose blue. And then this one for yellow, and I want to do a gradient, okay? 2 colors, green. Alright, so that's it, okay? And put gradient here. There's a gradient tool, paint bucket tool, and 3 material drop tool. But I chose gradient tool because I like to make a gradient on the gradient background. Here I just do it this way. Sorry, I got to choose the background. Alright, I got to choose it this way. So this is a background. But I can do it any way you want. From here it becomes like this, from here it becomes like this, and from the center it becomes like this. The reason why it's being a radial because I chose here is already radial here, radial gradient. You can choose a linear gradient, radial gradient, or angle gradient, whichever gradient you want. Let me show you this one, angle gradient. Alright, do it from center, it becomes like this. But I like to have a radial gradient because I must make it a bit circular. So look, so this is how you do it. Here. Not so good at this. Okay, let's say I want to change the color. I don't like green color. Let me put in pink red color. Okay, here you go, red and blue. Not a bit redder. Okay, from the center, go all the way up here. Further up. Alright. Not so beautiful. Up a bit. Yes, here. So this is how you make the strawberry face. I hope you enjoy my show, and please subscribe my channel. And if you like my tutorial again, remember to leave down comments and to tell me what are the things that you need to do and what are the things that you need to learn, and let me know. If you are generous enough, you can donate to my account. Alright, next time if you feel like it, anytime. Anyway, this is my first lesson, and I hope you enjoy it.